Jaden, plug whatever you want to plug.
Get all of it.
You don't have a car. How are you gonna pull up to a car meet?
Right. Uber, that's what I'm saying.
No, pull up to they both came here together.
Wait, how'd you even get here? You don't have a car either. First and foremost, you gotta talk to
he came right there. He came
with someone in the car meet.
Somebody in a car. Where's the car at?
At the very end.
God damn it.
Fuck you. I have a car. I'm showing off in the car meet though. Look over there. Fuck. It actually doesn't. Where's the grill? First and foremost, hey, let's critique every little bit of this. Okay, so look at this. Hits the tires, hits the suspension. This thing's a piece of shit. Look. Wheels aren't even under the fender well. What is that? L fitment for real. We can see the chassis on your car.
It's a fucking truck, you stupid fuck.
Straight back start, bro.
You vlogging right now?
Hell yeah.
Let's watch that. No, this shit ain't.
No, wait, what you trying to plug?
A man in the living room. A man.
I got a nicer crib than this. I'm fucking 18 years old, but I make more bread than this.
True. I make no money. I'm unemployed right now.
I'm I still got the.
Wait, what do you got on the table? Program. Put them onto the program.
Onto the program. All right.
This is how the white man has kept us locked into a life of crime and low tier money making.
This dude is white. He just got a tan, bro.
He just said, let's commit crimes. He said, let's commit crimes and steal from people to make money. Just think about that.
Yeah.
That's that straight trapping mentality, bro. I've heard so much.
Yeah, how's it? How do you feel about the meat?
The meat?
Yeah.
It's all right.
How'd you start it?
Well, I started this because I didn't want to have people sitting inside doing drugs and like. So I'm like, all right, fuck it, we're gonna do car shit. There's some lame shit in Janesville. We're gonna start some shit. I mean, if you can't do it, make it. So.
I'm 20
Very smart. Now, how do we feel about the community here?
People are good. People are good. I mean, there's no fucking issues at all. I mean, there's some issues with the truck guys doing some shit, but that's how the people are.
Jaden's fighting.
My dad was the tallest in the family, bro.
I got $20 on whoever isn't Jaden.
Huh?
One piece pumpkin bread?
This is Tavion, bro. Nah. Tavion, how'd you find out about these meats?
Him.
Jaden brought him out?
Yeah.
Hell yeah.
I came the first time, and then the second time, I'm like, you gotta come with. He was like, I gotta come with.
Go.
And ever since, people wonder when I'm not here, where I'm at. I didn't know you
Bro, he's the icon. He's the face of 1080, and I'm fucking with that, bro. I'm happy you're out here. That's some fun, dope ass
I got
shit.
featured on the TikTok.
You got featured on that
I don't even have a
shit.
car.
Oh. I don't even have a car. Didn't even have a car, and he gets featured on that shit. So I'm just glad PHT, Tyler over there, making good shit happen, helping out brands and shit. We got over there, we got Gearheads, we got Jared and Maisie there. King and Queen of fucking Gearheads are selling bread, selling stickers, vinyls, merch, everything you need. I'm just trying to help people out and get them out of the house. So that's really all it comes down to.
All right, who are we speaking to?
Oh, you're speaking to Jaden Blackburn.
All right.
Blackburn, yeah.
Well, what would you say best car here right now?
Best car here. Quick look around. I'll give it to the honestly, these Subarus are kind of clean. I like that black one right there.
I was gonna say I like that one.
Which one?
The white one, all the way at the
The
end.
white one at the very end?
Yeah.
That BRC?
Yeah.
I mean, that's pretty clean, yeah.
Bro.
But to be honest, yeah, that black one's probably the cleanest one here, to be honest, because I mean, yeah, he's just the cleanest one here, to be honest. Like, let's be so for real. But I know that silver car over there, that Cobalt, that motherfucker's pushing about 450 wheel. There goes Chase, that fat boy. That fucking, okay, cut the camera. CR1! What the fuck?
Yo, it's cool BRZ.
This is the best car at the meet. Better than the Z06.